So you might have currently installed Windows 11 and noticed that Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, sound, graphics, even the laptop touchpad is not working. So I will be sharing 3 methods that you must know before installing the Windows 11 and even after installing the Windows 11. And my very first recommendation is that before installing the fresh copy of Windows 11, kindly take the backup of all the driver. And I will be showing you right now how to quickly take the backup of all the driver. But in case if you have already installed Windows 11 without backing up the drivers, then how you have to update all the driver, all the missing driver. But first, let's see how exactly you have to take the backup of all the driver. And for that, you need to connect any of your USB drive or any external hard disk or SSD where you can take the backup. I have connected my Kingston USB where I will take the backup. After connecting it, bring it up. Then you have to create a folder here. So make a right click, hover up on new, choose folder, and you can name it like drivers. Once you have created, bring it up. And then you have to copy the path of this location. So from the top address box, select it, right click on it and choose copy. Now to start the backup, we will be using the command prompt. So click on Windows search, type CMD. Right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes. And here to back up the driver, we will be using the Windows inbuilt tool, that is the DISM command. So type DISM space / online space / export dash driver. Again give a space / type destination. And here in the destination, we have to mention the path of the USB drive, the folder that we have just created. So type the $sign and then you have to paste the path that you just copied. And that's it. Now you can hit the enter key and the command will be started, and you can see that it says the driver package successfully exported. So just wait for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes until it's all been done. Alright, so it's already been done, so we don't have to wait, and it only takes few seconds, I guess. And depending how much drivers are being installed on your device, it may take some time. So this way you have taken the backup of all the drivers, and if I close it and bring up the file explorer and go to my pen drive, USB drive, and open the drivers folder, so you will find the backup, the folder of all the backup drivers. So now you can plug out this USB and then you can fresh install the Windows 11. And without any internet connection, you can install all the driver back. So let's say if you have already installed the Windows 11 and you have the backup of all the driver in your USB, then after installing Windows 11, connect that USB, and in order to import all the drivers now, right click on Windows icon, click on Device Manager. In the Device Manager on the very top, you will find your computer name by the name desktop something on the very top. Make a right click on it. You will find Add Drivers, click on it. Then you need to locate to the location where you have the drivers backup folder. I will locate it. I will go to this PC. I have this on my Kingston USB. And then I have this in drivers. So I will select it and click on OK. Now once I click on next, so you will see it will be searching for all the drivers and it will be installing them. So this is the first and the best method where you don't need any kind of internet connection, where you don't have to visit any website. Simply take the backup, install the Windows, and then you can import all the drivers. But let's say if you have not taken any backup of your drivers and you have already installed Windows 11 like me, and none of your drivers are working, in that scenario, first you will have to connect your PC or your laptop to the internet, and the very convenient method is that you should connect using the Ethernet cable. So look for the router and look for the Ethernet cable, connect one side to the Ethernet and one other side to your laptop or PC. In case if you are using a laptop and you don't have the LAN port, then either you can arrange the connector that you can buy from the Amazon, or even you can connect your PC or your laptop using the mobile hotspot as well. And once connected, you can see I have the access to the internet now. Bring up the settings by making a right click on the Windows icon. From the left hand side, go to Windows Update. And here on the top, you will find get the latest update as soon as they are available. Make sure this option has been enabled. Then click on check for update and wait, as it will take some time to load and check for all the available drivers and all the other kind of update. And even if you click on advanced option, then look for optional update and click on it, you will find many kind of drivers are being available here. Alright, so either you can download and install them from here, or you can just go back to the Windows update only, wait until all the updates are being listed here. And me, after waiting for a couple of minutes, now you can see it listed me all kind of drivers. There is a huge list like update for Windows Security Platform, Framework, Lenovo System Driver, Intel.NET, NVIDIA drivers, that is for the graphic, Intel Corporation driver, that is for the Wi-Fi, for the Bluetooth, for the touchpad. All the drivers are being available here, so you will have to go ahead, download and install them. Now, in case in the beginning, if the touchpad is not working, then you can connect the external mouse and then you can access all these options. Alright, so after updating few of them, now I can notice that my touchpad is working. Even I can see the Wi-Fi option is back. The audio seems to be working. And that's a good news. And I believe that most of my drivers are being updated, are being installed. But still I have to wait until all the updates are being completed. And once all the update will be completed, it will ask you to restart. So go ahead and restart the computer. Follow the instructions. And after that, you will find that all the hardware drivers are working properly now without any problem and without any issues. So this is the first and the legitimate way. If you have already installed Windows 11, then how you have to update all the drivers. Now, in case if you don't find the drivers using the Windows update, or if you don't have the internet connection on this device, then you can also visit their official website, download the drivers, and then you can install them. So you will have to make a note of your laptop manufacturer, like if you're using Lenovo, HP, Dell, Acer, whichever. If you're using a PC, then you have to make a note of your motherboard. Then you can bring up any of the browser, type the manufacturer name, and then type drivers download. And on the very top only, you will be getting the official website. And if you click on it, the driver list will be available, and probably many of the manufacturer provide you the automatic update option, where if you click on scan, it will automatically detect all the available drivers, missing drivers on your device, and it will update it. You can also go with the manual update by clicking on select drivers, choose whichever you want to download, you can select it and download it. So these are the three methods, guys, that you can basically use. Now, to most of you, I would recommend you that kindly take the backup of all the drivers before installing Windows 11. But in case if you have not taken the backup, then you can go with these two methods. And that's all, guys, for today. Hopefully, this video will surely give you the satisfaction and the solution that how exactly you have to update all the missing drivers on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you found the video informative, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.